That's one of the areas where we are cooperating very heavily with the universities. So right now there are two main projects being running in this field with the help of students. And they can contribute a lot. But I think also that you have to get in there. If you're afraid of the new media, I think you're lost. And I think if you know that you can even try, what we have done, for instance, is when we found out that where are people talking, then we have tried to develop, activities together with others. For instance, marketing, communication, information, when it's a big fair going on. And then you can follow who is mentioned, how much awareness did we create with our brand and our activities compared to the rest. And then we can test if we do it on a separate occasion, only on our own, what result do we achieve then? And then we can find out. And you have to be curious, because that's one of the best assets we have as human beings, curiosity. That has always not only made man travel, but also, find out new solutions. And you have to be curious on the net, on the web, what's happening.